Koalor kan ni lokayan Pohnpei. Koalor is an English word that has been borrowed and is now used in Pohnpeian. But another word for color is pwh, P-O-H, pwh. Here are the basic colors in Pohnpeian. Pwulopwul, blue. Pwulopwul, pwulopwul. Pohnpeian, brown. Pohnpeian, pwulopwul. Tronchal, black. Tronchal, tronchal. Pwulopwul, white. Pwulopwul, pwulopwul. Wiawihda, red. Wiawihda, wiawihda. Ongong, yellow. Ongong, ongong. Pohnpeian, green. Pohnpeian, Pohnpeian. Literally, it says the color of grass. Pohnpeian. Similarly to pwulopwul, the color of brown. Excuse me, the color of dirt. Pohnpeian. Pwulopwul, pink. Pwulopwul, pwulopwul. Pohnpeian, purple. Pohnpeian, Pohnpeian. Couple of other words to know, possibly related to color. Sohte, which is as in if somebody has a sickly or bad looking, if somebody doesn't look well, you can say that the color on their face is not very good. Sohte, sohte. And be sure you do not say pwulopwul because that means smelly. Something is stinky or smelly. Pwulopwul. But the color is pwh. And here are the two words. Pwh is pwh, as in a smell or an odor, whereas poh is a color, as in the color of or the outside of pwh. I'll take that back. Just the color pwh. Just leave it there for now. And then the last phrase that you might hear is pwh merengereng. Pwh merengereng. That's basically lacking in color, dull, doesn't look very fresh or bright. That's it on colors for now.